Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. This is the cucumber yield trial, right? Remember, this variety is the Manor greenhouse variety. It's basically a parthenocarpic variety, and today is basically harvesting day. So today marks the first day we are going to harvest, or the first time we are going to harvest from these cucumber plants. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've gone ahead and put on these tags, right? These green tags, and these green tags, they are on all of the plants, right? As you can see, right? So all of them. So what the purpose of those green tags is basically to record the number of cucumbers I pick from each plant, right? And I should also mention this, please remember the scope of this trial. It's not only a trial, it's also an experiment as well, because as you know, in that container we have the Terra Grow, which has in the bunch of bacteria, beneficial bacteria and so on, and this one doesn't have any. So you can also just look at them side by side. Just take a few seconds to do that, right? Yes, I know. Obviously, there's a mark difference with the size of the leaves and so on, on the one with the Terra Grow. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this marker to mark down a stroke on the green tag. So if I harvest one or any amount I harvest, for example, I harvest 3 cucumbers from this plant, I'm going to mark down 1, 2, 3 stroke on this plant, right, or on that tag. So that's what I'm going to do. So how did I attach it? I just basically bore a hole into this tag, put a simple string on it, and then I put it on one of these clips. So basically, whenever I'm leaning and lowering the plants, I can basically just remove this clip and put it because obviously the plant is going to go down. So I just remove this and put it higher on the plant. Remove the tag and put it higher on the plant. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to basically start harvesting and recording. Right, so I'm done harvesting and recording. So as you can see on this tag we reaped or harvested 3 cucumbers. On this one we harvested 2, right? On this one we harvested none, right? On this one we harvested 3. And now remember that is the container without the Terra Grow, with just normal fertilizer. This is the one with the Terra Grow. On this plant we harvested 2. This one we harvested 4, right? On this one we harvested 4, and on this one we harvested 4. So you can see so far on a general basis, in comparison with the Terra Grow container and this container, we basically got more from this container, from each plant, than this one, because I think with this one, the one without the Terra Grow, the most we reap from it is basically, from any plant, is basically 3 cucumbers, right? Yeah, it's 3 cucumbers, but the most we reap from these plants in the Terra Grow container is 4, and 3 plants out of the 4 gave us 4 cucumbers, and 1 basically gave us 2, right? And as you can see, by tomorrow, this one that gave us 2, we have plenty more to harvest, right? So we still have plenty more cucumbers to harvest within, by tomorrow we have to harvest again. So as you can see, this is the next container without the Terra Grow. As you can see, we still have cucumbers to harvest, right? So that is how I record it on the tag, and this is the harvest, right? This is the harvest. Let us just count how many we got. I could have just counted them on the tag, but it's more pleasing looking at the cucumbers, right? Definitely. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So in all we got 22 cucumbers from both containers, right? So you know, yeah, that's the first harvest, right? So remember, we're keeping the tally. We're using these tags to keep the tally of how many we got from one plant. So yeah, that's the activity. I have also done some pruning as well. So that's basically it, right? That's basically it. If you have any questions, any comments so far, remember it's a yield trial, and we are also testing out the Terra Grow to see how the Terra Grow boosts the whole vitality, right, and overall yield of these plants. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel, please share the videos, please ask questions in the comments area, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.